Clear Brow, North Dallas, 2022 Tesla Model Y, full wrap, Expel Ultimate Plus, full window film, XR Plus. This is the highest heat rejection film today by Expel. It's called XR Plus. The front is 30% and the back is done in 15%. So let's take a walk around this Tesla and show you what it is we do here at Clear Brow, North Dallas. And on this, we color keyed the logos, the T, the same color as all the other black trim on the vehicle. One of our signature things that we do when we install is we make sure we wrap all the edges. I do see a lot of edges not wrapped, and I'll tell you, when you get to an edge being wrapped, that is the full benefit of the product to carry on through its 10-year guarantee. If you have an edge here, not only do you compromise that edge from getting hit by a rock, because a rock hits anywhere it wants, it also going to wear out that edge from being on the exterior, from all the elements, and it'll start to get dirty and change in color and start to fray. So I'd be careful on that. That wouldn't be covered by warranty. Unfortunately, some people think that would. It's going to be wear and tear. It's not a fault of the product, it's a fault of the installation. So watch your installations, make sure your installer is wrapping your edges. Maybe read your warranty on the product. The warranty is the same on all the products pretty much. They cover them from discoloration, bubbling, peeling, as the film would do, not from a bad installation. There's a lot of bubbling and peeling that could be caused by an installation. If you want to know more, just give me a call. There's a lot about it, but we don't have those issues because with over 25 years experience, we know how to install the film properly. It looks as if it's not even on the car here. So all our edges, we'll shoot you up close, no problem. There's nothing to hide. So, and we can come around the back side if you want to see the edge. Let's find you an edge right here. So here's the back side. You can see the edge just right here. It's hard to see. Let's try to get up. I can't get it there. Let's go right in here. You can see the line right there. So when it's properly wrapped, that's fine. That's nothing can get to. You don't have all your wear and tear getting to. Another thing we do is you wrap all these handles in. Most of the time people leave a line out here. That's old technology. Today we can wrap all that in. There's our edge right here. Let's focus on that right there. And that's just what you want in the port here where we do all our charging, fully wrapped in. All these corners are fully wrapped. So that's what you're looking for when you get a wrap. Doesn't matter if it's a Tesla or this Beamer or this Tesla Plaid that's not underway yet. That Tahoe I'll shoot here in a minute, that's done. There's a Shelby 500 over there that's all done. Again, all the door handles getting wrapped in, all these corners. Let's see, I'll try to get that film. It's hard to see that edge right there. That's the edge. But you want the edges wrapped. You don't want any edges. These moldings come out real simple. Everything's underneath it. You won't see a line on top. Perfect. Mirrors, wrapping around here. So there you go. Just showing you what we do here at Clear Brow, North Dallas. Let us know if you guys need anything. ClearBrowNorthDallas.com, 214-414-3809, extension 1. I'm Brent. Thanks for watching.